Right guys, welcome back. Potato harvest number 2. We're going to get all of these Charlottes, Casablancas up today. Not going to drag you on too long, but the last video was a bit of a hit. All these are coming out. So let's get cracking. Let's get cracking because there is a lot to take out. These are definitely ready. Probably been ready for a few weeks. These guys, lovely. And there's absolutely bloody loads of them. So these are just going in the wheelbarrow. Every single one of them. Bring the barrel up a bit.
Oh, look at the size of them.
Ow. Still too far away. He's easily going to fill this wheelbarrow. As you can see, guys, if you can see, tons of them, tons and tons of them. These were planted around Mother's Day. Look at these guys, beautiful, if you can see them. Try and get the small ones out as well, because as I said last time, they will grow back next year. We'll get this wheelbarrow out of the way. Excuse me. But yeah, we've just gotten back from Skegness, so we've left these in on purpose a bit longer. She didn't want to be doing too much before we went away, but now we're back. We've got a lot to do. Uploaded a video yesterday, weeds. We've already spent about an hour this morning. Looking better already, really. There's no excuse for people. Tons of weeds in the garden because it's not hard. Like my mate Johnny. If you're watching, mate Johnny, you need to come and get your plot sorted out, mate. I'll do it for you for 100 quid if you're interested. No, I'm joking, mate. But that's literally 3 plants. Wheelbarrows are already getting so full. 3 plants. Anybody in the local area knows who I am. Want some potatoes? Give us a shout. Even better, come and get them and come and dig them out. Yeah, definitely think I'll be growing these again next year, but in a different way. Going to be in 30-litre buckets. There's the seed. Yeah. Don't really think you can see much of me from that angle, so I'm going to start over here. There's a row of white potatoes here as well that are coming up. But might as well get them up. We want to start getting some manure down here. This garden's never been manured for about 8 years, apparently. So what's on our list of jobs over the winter? I think we can get it for about £40 a tonne. So yeah, that would definitely be happening. Put some nutrition back into this soil. Already we haven't even scratched the surface. And the wheelbarrow's about 1/4 full of just a few plants. I've hit that one with a fork. Get this one. But yeah, next year we want to have one of these beds. Like I said, all the new potatoes are going in buckets. Extra growing space for brassicas and what have you next year, because we certainly do need it. Them guys. Try and get them in my hand. Tough one of them. We have left these in too long. I know that. You don't need to tell me in the comments. Like I said, we've been busy. These are bigger than normal, but they will be used, don't worry. We have got so many potatoes, it's ridiculous. We're going to have two wheelbarrowfuls easy potatoes. Probably not much of a view that for you, was it? Me bending over on camera. What we're going to do with these as well, all the small ones, we're going to be keeping them for next year's crop. Alright. Once all these are all up, we then got to turn all this side over and get this bed weeded. The last ones are main crop, Morris paper. We're leaving that row in. There should be September time. But yeah, guys, we've got this camera set up on tripod. I'm not sure how much of this you are seeing. But again, beautiful. So, what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to end the video here.
Oh, look at that one.
Not end it here, but
Ian.
I'm going to stop it here. I'm going to put you on a bit of a time lapse. My wife wants to show us a potato. I'm going to put it on time lapse, guys, and we're going to get most of these out. Catch you in a bit. Peace out. Right, guys, it's most of them out. Still maybe half a row to dig up. I'm going to spin you around and I'll show you so far what we've got. Those galore, guys. That's what we've got. These, most of them are probably quite big for new potatoes. Like I said, we've left these in a bit longer than we should have. Still got a few there to dig up. So I'm going to give the wife the limelight and she's going to demonstrate how to dig up potatoes.
Really?
In all her glory. I've got no idea what we're going to do with all these potatoes.
Are these the white ones?
These are the white ones. I'm thinking about getting a rotavator out to go over this side.
There's another.
You alright?
Oh, just under the surface, look at that.
And that's just off one plant, guys.
There's still more
Right,
in there.
we're going to crack on. Get some more of these up and we'll bring you back. Thank you. Right, guys. Potatoes are all up. I've got the staff in. Minimum wage. All being paid well.
Minimum wage, I wish.
Emma's just turning the soil over. Being loads of weeds today, guys. We're getting a flagstone delivery, 24 of them. And I've started laying this path. That's now complete. These are the mains. They'll be coming out in September. So we're getting quite a harvest today. Now this is empty. I might order the manure and get this bed ready for the next season. So I'm going to let these ladies crack on. Get these flagstones moved down to the bottom, because they are going behind the polytunnel at some point. I am knackered. It's been a busy day. So I'll get that done, and I might give these a hand to do some digging. We'll see you in a bit, guys. Thank you. Alright guys, that is us done for today. All the potatoes are out. Bed has been turned over. We have put 10 of the paving slabs up the path here. So, good day's work, very happy. We must have got 4 sacks of potatoes, probably 60 kilos. Sure, let these ones grow. My wife's been flicking a bean. So yeah, I'm going to go home now, have a shower. Yeah. We will put this video together, and hope you guys enjoy. Haven't filmed too much, I've been busy. Next, we're getting these out, sort these beds out, and that bed there will be coming out. So we will bring you back for the next one. Guys, please subscribe, please like, share, comment, all that kind of thing. I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching.